Hey guys, today I'm making an egg scramble. So all you really need for this are eggs and then any vegetables or meat that you want to add to it. I just have spinach, peppers, onions, and then some ham that I had cut from the deli. And then I'm going to top it off with some feta cheese. Alright, so I cut up all my vegetables and now we're just going to drop them into the pan after I spray a little olive oil on it. And now just goes in. While that's cooking, I'm just gonna drop the eggs into a separate bowl and mix them together. And then once the vegetables look like they're about done, like cooked fully, I'm just gonna add the eggs into the vegetables. So we'll wait until then. It's pretty much done. I'm just gonna do a finishing touch with some black pepper and some garlic salt and then the feta, and then I'll let it sit for a few more minutes. Alright, I just finished making it and poured it in a bowl. And so there you have it. That's my easy egg scramble recipe.